Guys, I'm back with another metal detecting video. And yeah, let's go see what we can find. And today, I'll be joined with my sister. She'll be doing the dirt thingy. Let's go. Clear, guys, I am at the same site I was in the first video. The 1960s shooting range, so.
That's a spider.
Cool. So let's see what we can find this time. Okay, so we're gonna go around this place for a little bit. There's like sheets of metal and wood, old wood. So yeah, let's see what we can find here. Okay, let's go. Looks like we found something somewhere around here. You gotta turn it on. Okay, well, we're just gonna dig it up, see what it is, okay? I think you're doing your job. Bit and we still can't find it. Looks like we found an old can or bottle lid. I guess they're drinking here and shooting. Guns and alcohol don't mix very well. Make this video a tiny bit longer because my last one wasn't that long. And yeah, let's go. A golf ball. Looks like there was golfers. Quit it. Looks like there's golfers, drinkers, and shooters here. Found another thingy, my bobber, somewhere in this area.
Where? I'm coming. Wait.
Put it like over here. I guess it's pretty deep. Let's start digging.
Wait.
Never mind. It's right here. Now I need to get another stick and start digging it. Okay, we've dug it a bit. We may have found it. An old nail. Up. And this is still on, and I just happened to go like this, and there's more stuff there. And there. Jeez, this is a jackpot. Let's see what it is. The first of many. Found the first of many. Let's dig it up now. There was drinkers here. I found another bottle cap. Okay, so just recap on what we found. A bottle cap. Another bottle cap. So 2 bottle caps. And a rusty nail. Let's keep looking. Still haven't found everything from those thingies down there. Only found one yet, and that was the bottle cap. So yeah, let's look for the others. Come on. Okay, let's look what this one is. Around in this area where this stick is sticking out. So yeah, let's dig this one up, and I'll see you guys when. Hopefully it's not another bottle cap, because guns and alcohol, like I just said, don't mix very well. Not guess what this is. Another bottle cap. Jeez. See if there's any more. Imagine if it's another pop can lid thingy. Because now we have 3 of them. Okay, let's just find it. Found what it was. And it's another nail. After a while, I might be able to build a house. Okay. Well, I think this video's gone on long enough. Quick recap, we have 3 bottle caps and 2 nails. That's all we found. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be sometime this week. And or something like that this weekend. Okay, can we get 1 like? Just 1?
At least.
And 1 new subscriber? That'd be great. Okay, see you guys.